welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I am back with another review and this is my favorite one, and you guys already know from the title itself and the thumbnail, obviously this is the Maybelline Fit Me range, and I'm going to be talking about the bunch of Maybelline products, and it's all about the Maybelline Fit Me range. As you guys already know, I love using all the Maybelline products, especially this concealer. You guys know, like, since my channel started, like from 4 years, you have been watching me applying this foundation on the regular basis because this is one of my favorite, and I guess I have used like 6 to 7 of Fit Me concealers, and I'm going to talk about all the goodness about these products, and even I have a demo for you guys so you can see how Maybelline product works. And first we'll talk about the demo. So first we'll check out the demo and then we are going to talk about the product. So without wasting much time, let's get into this video. So guys, this is the Fit Me Poreless foundation and I'm in the shade 230 Natural Buff, and I'm using this on my skin today first. As you can see, I don't have much of a blemishes, so that's why I'm going with the foundation first, and then I'll be going with the concealer and even their pressed powder. So you can see the thickness of this foundation right here. It is not super thick and it is not very runny as well. This is in a medium kind of formula and I absolutely love it. You can see my skin right here. It matches my skin tone perfectly and it looks really amazing. And it has a nice consistency and even the coverage is medium. You can build this up if you want a fuller coverage. And I can see this is definitely hiding all the imperfections and every flaw I have in my skin. And now I'm going to apply the concealer on the highest points of my face. Like normally I like to highlight my face in this way. And I don't really have lots of blemish, so that's why I think highlighting is just perfect for me. So you can see right here I am applying this in this way, and now I'm going to blend this out from the other side of the sponge, and you can see how beautifully it blends, and I just love the skin-like finish which you can see already. And as they claim, the product of Maybelline Fit Me range is non-comedogenic, so that's why it is not going to clog or block your pores, which is amazing. If you tend to have a lot of blackheads and whiteheads, if your pores get clogged, don't worry, this is perfect for your skin, and even you can wear this under your mask. You won't feel anything. Like you can see right here, there is no tackiness. I feel absolutely light, and even I don't feel that I have makeup on my face, which is perfect. Like in today's normal, you already know how difficult it is to wear a lot of makeup and then our mask, but this product makes it feel super comfortable, easy, and even it is super transfer proof. I'm even going to show you when I'm going to wear a mask. So yeah, this is how my face looks. Now I'm going to set my face with another product from Fit Me range, and this is again in my own shade. This is again 230 Natural Buff, and it's perfect match. As you know, as you have seen, the foundation matches my skin amazingly, and this powder will do it beautifully. You can see the results. And yeah, I have oily skin, but trust me, I don't really require a powder, but still I think on my T-zone area where I have applied the concealer, I just want to set that area. Otherwise the foundation and the concealer does not really need setting. So the first product I'll be talking about is the concealer, like which you can use it before you apply the foundation to conceal all your dark spots, dark circles, and even if you have any redness, any bumps, any pimples as well. Like I have seen, this is my personal experience, even when I have a little pimple and I just want to do a full glam makeup look, I apply before applying the foundation, and this cover ups the whole redness and even I think sometimes it even reduces the size of the pimples. I don't know how it does, because it is perfect for your acne, or even if you have pimples, any kind of rashes, this is going to hide it. It's super lightweight, it's not going to clog your pores, or even it's not going to block. It does not leads any further blackheads or whiteheads in your skin, which is amazing. And that's why, just because I have oily skin, I trust Maybelline for all my concealing and foundation work as well. If you guys know me from a long time, you guys know I was pathetic in choosing the foundation shade in past, but now when I got the right shade for my skin, I'm totally in love. Like today while I was doing my makeup, I just felt that how beautifully this has covered up each and every flaw I have in my skin, because I was not well. Like I had fever, I have dark circles. Can you just even say that I am not well? You can't say that because of the product. It gives amazing coverage, and the most amazing thing about this product is it's super lightweight, and I felt that comfort when I was wearing my mask. Yes, I did wear mask with all the Maybelline product, and I was super happy because, you know, like the new normal is to wear mask, and you don't do makeup for others, you do it for your satisfaction. And when you are going out and you just want to wear mask, and even you want to wear your makeup but you feel sweaty and you're feeling super greasy with some products, no, this is not going to happen with Fit Me range, because you can trust me on that. Like I have never come up with a product review which I don't recommend or don't use it on myself. Like you will see, everything I'm going to talk about in my channel is always authentic and honest reviews. Trust me, just because I love this range of product, that's why I'm here today. So this is for normal to oily skin, but trust me, if you have dry skin, it's even going to work for you. Like I have combination to oily skin, and this does not clog my pores like whatsoever. And even wearing a mask with the foundation is super light, and you won't even feel uncomfortable when you're going out. And now talking about the compact powder, the best thing about this product is it is perfect match for my skin tone. Like 230 natural buff is my shade, and I absolutely love it. And this did set my under eye area, the T-zone area, so much perfectly. I don't feel oily. Like honestly speaking, the foundation and the concealer did not made me feel tacky or greasy. But I honestly didn't wanted to wear any powder, but this powder is like super lightweight again. Like some powders make you feel heavy, but this does not makes any difference to your foundation or your concealer. It is super lightweight again, and I'm again going to stress on this that the products from Maybelline Fit Me range is absolutely non-comedogenic, which is amazing for your skin. You can wear it whenever you want to go out under your mask, and you will not feel anything greasy, or you won't even feel sweaty. It does control your sweat. Like you can see, I feel so sweaty in my neck area just because I don't have my fan on. But do you see any sweat on my face? No, absolutely not. So it's going to control your sweat. It's not going to clog your pores, not going to give you further bumps or pimples or acne. It is perfect for this new normal, and you can wear this like a skin fit. This is skin fit and mask fit if you ask me. So I'm going to wear my mask and show you a wear test where this even does not transfer. Like it is super transfer proof as well. And as I said, it is super comfortable with a mask. So here you go. This is how you got to wear a mask, like from your nose to your mouth. It should be covered, and trust me, so many people feel that covering your whole face will lead to acne, pimples, so many new like rashes coming up. But no, none of this is going to happen with the Fit Me range. So now I'm just going to show you, like you can see nothing has transferred, like absolutely nothing has transferred. And this is the best thing about this product. And even if you wish to buy all the products, I'm going to list everything in the description box. You can check out their links and you can just go and purchase your right fit for your foundation, concealer and powder, because they have a wide range of product, like 18 shades in foundation. It is super amazing. And just because we Indian have so many different kind of skin tones, we definitely need that kind of range because it's there in the market from super long time. And the best thing I felt this time was this thing, the pump. Like I have the pouring bottle as well with me. The shade is not perfect for my skin tone, so I don't use that anymore, but I still have it because that is one of my oldest foundation when I started my channel, and I have some emotional attachment with that foundation as well, and that's why I got the new bottle and I'm super loving it because it is again travel friendly as well. So if you want to check out anything you want to purchase from the range, you can just go and check it out in the description box. So this was the whole details about the product. If I missed anything, let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely answer all your questions. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button. So I'll be coming up with super amazing videos for you guys. And that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, love you all. Mwah. Bye.